Hello friends, welcome to the series Glimpses of 75 members of Constituent Assembly. In this particular episode, we'll see the personality Balasaheb Hanumant Khardekar. He was born on 1st of August 1903 in Bombay Presidency. He completed his schooling in Kolhapur and his undergraduate degree at the University of Bombay. He graduated from the Cambridge University with a degree in law. He was interested in teaching profession and went on to become the principal of two colleges, Rajaram College, Kolhapur and G.K. Gokhale College, Kagal. He was interested in sports and was the life member of Cricket Club of India and Kolhapur Sports Association. He was elected to Constituent Assembly as a representative of Bombay Presidency. He spoke on some limited issues in Constituent Assembly. He was a strong person with an opinion that individual has a right to drink and opposed the popular and long-standing Congress party policy of prohibition. He was of view that prohibition goes against the very grain of personal liberty. He also spoke on the importance of education in our country. Let's see that. 24th of November 1948. Quote, in a country where democracy has to flourish, where democracy is in its infancy, the front of education is the most important one. You know the appealing conditions of people so far as education is concerned. About 60 to 70 years ago, in several countries, free and compulsory primary education was introduced. As a result of freedom, that should be our first business. In a country like ours, even free compulsory education would not be enough, because the poor boy who goes to plough forgets 7 to put his signature after few years, and so in proportion even secondary education for the backward communities, rather I may say for poor, would have to be provided. Sir, we are an infant democracy, and if we are going to have really a democratic government, we must have education. You know the great saying, democracy without education is hypocrisy without limitation. So he was of a strong opinion that education is the most important thing which will help in the progress of our country. We are thankful for his contribution in the making of the Constitution of India. Thank you.